expand 2x plus 3 over 5 squared. We asked to expand this. Solution. (2x plus 3 over 5 squared). For you to expand this, you can see we're having this to be square. And what we have inside is a binomial expression. And binomial expression that is dealing with what? Sum. You can see the addition sign. So for us to expand this, it means you can write this in two places. 2x plus 3 over 5 into bracket 2x plus 3 over 5. So in this case, we apply the same techniques of expanding the product of two binomial expressions. Now, we use the first term, which is 2x, to multiply the whole of the second binomial expression. 2x plus 3 over 5. Then plus, what do we have here? That will be plus 3 over 5, which is the second term in the first binomial expression, to multiply the whole of the second binomial expression. Now, the next thing for us to do is to expand the brackets. Picking the first one, 2x, we multiply 2x. 2 times 2, that is 4. So we have here 4x squared. Now, plus 2x, we multiply 3 over 5. Now, in this case, 2x will be multiplied by 3. 2x times 3, that will give us 6x. So this will give us 6 over 5x. Plus, what do we have also? 3 times 2, what do we have? That is 6. So we also have 6 over 5x for this. Now, we use this same 3 over 5 to multiply 3 over 5. We have 3 times 3, that is what? 9. And 5 times 5 will give us 25. Don't forget, when you are multiplying two fractions together, you multiply equivalently, that is numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. That is why we are having 3 times 3, 9, and 5 times 5, 25, which gives us 9 over 25. Now, let's simplify further. Now, the two terms at the middle have the same x, which is of power 1. So we can add those two together. So in that case, the LCM here is what? Is 5. Now, 5 divided by 5, what do we have? That is 1. 1 times 6x, we have what? 6x. Plus, we say 5. That is the LCM 5 divided by 5 again. What do we have? That is 1. 1 times 6x, that is 6x. Then plus 9 divided by 25. So we have this to be equals to 4x squared plus, simplifying further, the middle term, 6x plus 6x, that is 12x. So we have 12x over 5, which is the same thing as 12 over 5x for the middle term, plus 9 divided by 25. That is the answer to the problem. Thank you.